I would like to share with you about more detail about conduct. This is very, very important, and especially what I've seen is many people, they come to the spiritual path or they want to learn meditation, and one of the missing part is the conduct. So on cushion, okay, you understand. Intellectually, you understand. But then when it comes to the facing the problem in daily life, completely forget. And then some people, strong attachment about your practice, your meditation, and then seeing everything is like black and white. This is not good. This is not good. I'm the most pure, genuine, something like that. So how to overcome this? The most important is you have to apply this meditation in daily life. So what is the obstacle to apply this meditation in daily life? Lazy. So lazy is the one of the most obstacle for us. Maybe you know how to apply and you have the instruction, you understand, you might have the taste of the meditation, everything, but sometimes lazy. And the lazy transform into many things. May use excuses, maybe not much time, I will do later tomorrow, first I will watch this wonderful movie now, or have coffee with my friend now, and then later tomorrow. So then become later, tomorrow, and the tomorrow, when the time comes tomorrow, next week, and next week become next month become next year, then maybe next year become next life. So now how to face this laziness? Not easy. So if you really want to make effort, the concentration, we don't have much concentration than our normal capability. It's very difficult. So just when you think in your mind, if I have time, if you are busy, you might think, if I have time, I will do that, I can, why not? That's easy. Now only things I don't have time. But if you have a lot of time, you cannot. Maybe you will do only 1 hour, then after that, even you have time, even you are free, you cannot do. So there's some kind of limitation in our mind, in our behavior, in our habit, some kind of habit. So how to build this effort in your life, in everyday life? So now, bad news is you don't have so much capability to have focus or diligence, right? But there's one good news. Good news is you have to know some trick. So the trick is what we call daily practice. So in Tibetan Buddhism, we have many such daily practice, something daily practice. So the daily practice is very important. If your meditation become part of your daily routine, your daily ritual, then very easy. Like every day we wake up, wash tooth, brush tooth. So it's become part of our daily routine. Or take shower. Some people want to take shower in the morning. Some take shower in the evening. Some want to take shower 2 times per day. It's become part of daily routine. You don't have to think too much about that particular event. You don't need to put too much effort. It comes effortlessly. So that's kind of like become habit, good habit. So how to build this daily routine? It will take 20 to 30 days to build this daily routine. So first, you try to, as I mentioned in the last monthly teaching about conduct, there are 3: abandoning the negativities, and then accumulating virtue. So this is accumulating virtue. So how to accumulate virtue? Maybe I will meditate every day 15 minutes. 15 minutes is, I just said 15 minutes, but it's up to you. So normally your normal, willingness to meditate, the time for willingness to meditate. Let's see, just measure it. If you have only 5 minutes, you are willing and you can, then maybe think about 7 minutes per day. Little bit push more than your normal capacity. So do this for every day, 7 minutes meditation for 20 to 30 days. After that, it will become automatic. It will become part of daily routine. Very easy. But if you can meditate every day 1 hour, then you think 1 hour and 20 minutes or 1 hour half, something like that. So something which is you can do, something which is meaningful and comprehensive for you. So you should promise like that. So then once you promise that, do it, whether you like or don't like, do it for 20 days or 30 days. So then you will build up this habit into your daily life. So every day, this is about the meditation. So meditate every day, half hour. Likewise, if you are having some problem in your daily life, maybe always arguing, maybe you have habit of argue. Every day, small thing, argue. It comes unconsciously, automatically. Before your mind, your word comes first, your action comes first, or later, So then, choose particular event with the particular person whom you are arguing in every day. When I'm arguing with that person with particular this kind of reason, I'm going to apply this meditation. So specific is very important. Choose that one. And then build up the habit to deal with the meditation with that particular problem. So this way, it will be really good for you. Then you will have strong, will, strong power to apply meditation in everyday life. I mentioned at the beginning of this talk, which is the big missing part of some of us for long-term meditator is the conduct, right? So we are not careful about the conduct. Sometimes when we have problem is in the east direction and you are applying meditation in the west direction. So the meditation is not applying with the problem in your life. So the most important is that we have to apply, but we cannot because of lazy. So important point here is how to overcome lazy. Overcome lazy is not so easy, so need to build the habit. So once you build this habit, use this kind of habit to apply in conduct. So 3 conduct, right? If you want to abandon something, your bad habit, or arguing, smoking, fighting, or anything you have. So apply with that, with the view on meditation, apply with that one. Also you have to apply again. And second is, if you want to develop something, accumulate. So something which is you want to improve, something which is you want to make new vow. So you have to make it also every day. Choose specific event and do it every day again and continuously. And last, helping others, right? To share your experience, to influence your friends and family with good intention. Not like, I'm teacher, I'm going to teach you, you know nothing, I know everything. Again, become problem. So many people, when they meditate, and after some time they have regret, I know all the essence of the meditation, essence of Dharma, you don't know I become like high enlightened teacher for you. So no, not like that way, So really from pure intention to want to help, but of course sometimes can help, sometimes cannot help. That's normal. So don't be too much attached to the result.